Here's the update on the brake pads. I put on the front and the back brake pads today. It's the brand. It was about a year that these brake pads have been on there on the Maserati ghibli. Look at that. I probably didn't even need to change them so soon, but you know, I probably had maybe 4 or 5 months left on them. Let's see if we get a good look. Look at that. So yeah, I personally think these are better than the Brembo brake pads that cost so much, and it saves you from having to buy so much other items just to change your brakes and everything. Just swap out the brake pads and move on. I put on the new ones today, and I'm about to go on a test drive. Get everything going.